How OSPF discover its neighbors. OSPF uses the Hello protocol for neighbor discovery. The Hello packets contain the following: router ID and area ID of the originating interface, subnet mask and authentication information of the originating interface, hello and dead interval of the originating interface, the router ID of the neighbor devices, router priority, DR, and BDR information, and finally, flag bits. The router ID acts as a unique identifier for the OSPF speaking router. The area ID represents the router group. The area ID starts with number 0, which represents the backbone area. The parameters in the Hello packets must be agreed by the peering device to form neighborship. The Hello packets act as a keepalive for the neighbors. It also helps in electing the DR and BDRs in broadcast networks. The following parameters must match for successful OSPF neighborship: area ID, hello and dead interval, authentication, MTU, stub flags, and finally, network mask.